Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. What kind of down payment do I need? How does the amount of down payment I make affect the terms of my mortgage loan? The larger the down payment, the lower your overall monthly principal and interest. That's simple. First-time home buyers, I get it. You may not have much in the way of down, so it's a trade-off. Home ownership or delaying, saving more money, putting a larger down payment. There are many options for making down payments. The amount of your down payment will vary by the loan you choose and the lender requirements. Generally, the larger the down payment you're able to make, the lower the interest rate you'll receive and the more likely you are to be approved. If you cannot make a down payment of 20%, lenders usually will require you to purchase private mortgage insurance or obtain an FHA, VA, or USDA loan. I have videos on all this. Check out my YouTube video list under mortgage. Don't forget to factor in all the upfront costs you'll have in addition to the down payment. Think of all the costs that you'll likely have to deal with during the purchase process and immediately afterwards. Think of 2.5% to 3% unless you're paying points, and I don't ever recommend paying points, contrary to whatever the loan officer's telling you. Just build them into the loan. Why? Well, because typically people move within 5 to 7 years. Why would you pay those points up front when essentially you can just build that in the loan and pay a 1/360th of your payments towards the closing costs? For example, you may want to pay points to lower your interest rate. No, never do that. You'll also have to pay closing costs, which sometimes can be substantial. I used to use 2.3% for your closing costs. And don't forget about the cost of moving and making any repairs that are needed right away. Ask about how your down payment affects your interest rates and what options you have when you shop around for different loans. Make sure you shop around. Only 13% of people shop for loans. I don't know what the numbers look like for title and escrow insurance, but be sure to shop. And by all means, make sure you shop for homeowners insurance. Comment. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns regarding first-time home buying, down payments, first-time home buyer programs. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have a lot of different options and programs available. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.